Hey, good morning everyone. The boat we're showing you today is absolutely positively impeccable. It's a 23-foot Grady white Gulfstream with the CV2 hull, the same hull that they use to this day in 2020. Nothing's changed there. The boat is an older 1993, but as we walk through the video, you'll notice that there's been tremendous amount of upgrades and the boat does not look anything like a 93. First thing you'll see is twin Yamaha 4-stroke 200 horsepower engines. The engines are 2019s with 28 hours. They were purchased brand new back in May and just put on. We also installed upgraded 4-bladed props. It's a full transom boat. Trim tabs. It's been buffed and waxed at least twice a year. It has the upgraded Grady white emblems that you see on the Grady whites to this day, 2020. All of the through hulls have been upgraded to what Grady uses today, which is all stainless steel, bronze over stainless steel. The boat has a bow pulpit, also has a Lumar stainless steel windlass and a stainless steel anchor. Has a remote spotlight, has upgraded spreader lights, has the outrigger bases. We do not have the outrigger poles, but we do have the bases. All of the canvas on the boat has been upgraded to stamoid, and that is also new. It also has the rocket launchers, which have been powder coated, and also electronics box up above. Some of the features that have been upgraded as well. All of these boxes have starboard on top of them. These are insulated boxes. And they do hold ice for a very long time. Coming on board, first thing you'll notice is the upgraded seats. These seats are $1,500 a piece, and they were replaced about a year ago. The steering wheel is also upgraded. All of the gauges are upgraded. There's your brand new gauges, 28.2 hours. A USB port there. New cup holders. All of this is new. A Garmin 741 XS. A Bluetooth stereo. A Furuno depth finder. U-windows in your isinglass. Everything about this boat is in perfect working order. Up above you have a VHF radio, courtesy lights, spreader lights. Coming to the back of the boat, the owner has put the battery switches on the outside of the boat, so they're very easy to get to. All of your panels have been upgraded with starboard. The boat comes with 4 stereo speakers. All of the bolsters are new and updated. This feature here is why the owner bought this boat. That is a cutting board that folds down to create a seat, or can be completely removed or folded back. There's 3 options for that. It also allows you much more fishing area than even the new Grady whites have. In 1994, they changed this whole mechanism and they built a seat into the back of the Grady Gulfstream which really took away a lot of the fishing space. The batteries are new in 2019. Insulated fish box here. This is also an upgrade. These came straight from Grady White, and they are 2019. Over here, we did the same here with the drawers. 2019. Live well. This flooring comes up. If you'd like to take it up and wash the bottom of the boat, you can, or the floor, you can do that. It has dual windshield wipers, which was an upgrade for Grady. Down below, all of the cushions have been replaced. There's no staining in the headliner whatsoever. Has pressurized water. A porta potty underneath that hinge. We do also have all of the cushions for the boat. And there's storage underneath all those cushions down below. Here's your sticker for the CB2. This boat will run about 45 to 47 miles per hour with the new engines. The owner has just decided to sell the boat and has purchased a much larger Grady. And that's why this one's up for sale. It's a very unusual, very rare boat. Nothing like it on the market. New Grady 23 Gulfstreams with twin 150s are selling for up near 140, I think it's $147,000 without equipment. Spreader lights have been replaced with LED. We also have a track, this track right here. There's a aft curtain that slides in that creates a back curtain all the way back to the engines, like what you see on the large sport fishing boats. The lighting system is LED for the cockpit lights. And then there's one over on this side as well. The boat also has a remote spotlight. A waste pump out right there for your toilet, so you don't have to take the porta potty out. Of course, it has dual fuel cells. Hardtop is in excellent condition. We may be putting the boat in the water for a wet video, but currently this will be the only video at this point in time. M&M Boat Sales. We sell boats for less, guaranteed. Stop in and take a look at this beautiful Grady White 23 Gulfstream. Remember, life is short. Let's get out there and enjoy it while we can. By the way, the boat also has a freshwater wash down, or excuse me, saltwater wash down, and also a freshwater tank right there, which is really nice. 410-391-2333, or you can like us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're open 7 days a week, and we do take trades. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Hope to see you down at M&M Boat Sales real soon.